Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learning. Today's video I am going to solve third main answer the following questions from state level preparatory examination 2026 mathematics. In the question number 17, prove that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. To prove it as an irrational number, first we have to assume it is rational. So let us assume 6 plus root 2 is rational. If it is rational number, it will be in the form of P by Q. Here P and Q are belongs to Z and Q is not equals to 0. Also HCF of P and Q are equal to 1. That is P and Q are coprime numbers. In this, what we'll do, root 2 will keep in LHS and 6 will take to RHS. What happens? P by Q, 6 if we take to RHS, it becomes minus 6. After this, we'll take the LCM. If we take the LCM, root 2 is equals to Q is the LCM and P minus 6Q. See, again we got it is a rational number. It is in the form of P by Q. It rational. Again we got it is rational. But root 2 cannot be rational. Root 2 is not rational. It is not a rational number. So this gives a contradiction. This gives a contradiction. So this gives a contradiction. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. Proving irrational is a compulsory question in every paper. So make sure that you are getting the full marks in that. So question number 18. Solve the given pair of linear equation by elimination method. See, elimination method, again it is a very easy question, simple question. 3x plus y is equals to 15 and 2x minus y is equals to 5. Just see whether we can cancel or eliminate any one term. Yeah, of course we can eliminate y. No need to subtract. Directly if we add, we can eliminate. So y cancels. One is plus, one is minus. It gets cancels. So directly we can add these two. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5x is equals to 15 plus 5 is 20. So x is equals to 20 by 5. 20 by 5 is what? 4. So x is 4. Now we have to find out the value of y. Substituting in any one equation. So I will take equation 1 only. Substituting in equation 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. See what is it? 3x plus y is equals to 15. So 3 into x is 4 plus y is equals to 15 and y is equals to 15. 3 4s are 12. That is minus 12 if you take that side. So y is equals to 3 is the answer. Next question, question number 19. Find the sum of first 10 terms of the arithmetic progression using formula. Formula is what? Formula is Sn is equals to, we are finding the sum. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Here what is a? A is the first term, that is 7, and n is how many terms? First n terms, so the 10 terms, that is n is equals to 10. Then what is d? D is equals to a2 minus a1 is what? 13 minus 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6. So everything we got in this. So we are finding S10. N is 10. So 10 by 2 into 2 into a is what? 7 plus n minus 1 is what? N is 10. 10 minus 1 into d is what? D is 6. Close the bracket. After this, 2 5s are 10 if you cancel, and here 2 7s are 14 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 6 are 54. Then 5 into 54 plus 14. So 14 plus 54 is 68. If you multiply these two, if you multiply 68 and 5, what is the answer? That is 340. So SN answer is 340. In this, OR question is also there. Let us see OR question. Now let us see the OR question in this. What is there? Find which term of the arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12 is 47 using formula. So which term is nothing but n we have to find out. An is given, that is 47. Nth term is given, that is an is equals to 47. What is an formula? That is a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 47 is given. In this, we'll find what is a is equals to 2, and n we have to find out, and d is equals to d a2 minus a1, that is a2 is what? 7. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. We got d also. Now we'll use in the formula, that is a is 2 plus n is, we have to find out, n minus 1 will keep as it is, and d is what? D is 5 is equals to 47. N minus 1 into 5 here will take 47 minus 2 is equals to 45. So 5 if we take that side, n minus 1 is equals to 45 by 5 is 9s, 5 9s. So n is what? N is equals to 9 minus 1. If you take that side, it becomes plus 1. So n is equals to 10 is the answer. Number of terms is 10. In the figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. A circle with center O is inscribed in the triangle and it touches the sides of the triangle AB, BC and CA at D, E and F respectively as shown in the figure. Prove that E bisects BC. Bisects means what? E makes BC into equal of, that is BE is equals to EC we have to prove. To prove that, we'll take the circle theorem, that is tangents from external point theorem. We know tangent drawn from external point will be always equal. So what is given, we'll write first. What is given? This is a isosceles triangle. So if it is isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, that is AB and AC are equal, already given. So I'll write it as AB is equals to AC is given, and A is the external point to the circle. So AD will be equals to AF. So AD is equals to AF. This is given, and AD is equals to AF. Also B is the external point. So this is from A point. From A point. BD is equals to BE. B is the point, external point. Next, CE is equals to CF. Here C is external point. Now what we'll do? We'll write AB is equals to AC. In place of AB, we'll split AB as AD plus DB. So AB is AD plus DB or BD is equals to AC. Will write it as AF plus FC. Now in place of AD we'll write AF, and in place of BD we'll write BE, and in AF as it is, and plus in place of FC we'll write CE. So what happens here? AF cancels. What is remaining? BE is equals to CE is remaining. If BE is equals to CE, E bisects. E bisects BC. Question number 21. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0 by factorization method. Again, easy question. Factorization method. X square plus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. Here for factorization method we have to multiply first and last term, that is 15x square, that is plus 15x square. Now if we factorize these two, factors should be, how the factors should be, if we add the factors we should get middle term, that is 8. What are the factors then? 5 3s are 5, 3s are 15. So 5x, 3x both are plus because we are adding. Here okay, x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now these two one group and these two one group. In this x is common, x plus 5. Here 3 is common, so plus 3 we have to take outside. That is remaining is x plus 5 is equals to 0. So in these two common is x plus 5, and here x is remaining and plus 3 is remaining is equals to 0. So separately we have to equalize to 0. So x plus 3, x plus 5 is equals to 0, or x plus 3 is equals to 0. Here x is equals to, if you take plus 5 that side, it becomes minus 5, and here x is equals to minus 3. So x is equals to minus 5 and x is equals to minus 3 are the roots of the equation. Now we'll solve our question from this, that is find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0, and write the nature of the root. To find the discriminant, we want a is equals to 2 coefficient of x square, and b is equals to minus 6 coefficient of x, and c is equals to plus 3. So what is the discriminant? So discriminant formula is what? That is delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Delta is b square minus 4ac is equals to b square is what? Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is what? 2 into c is 3. So minus 6, if you multiply 2 times, it becomes 36 plus 36, and minus, if you multiply these 3, it becomes 24. 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So this is equals to 36 minus 24 is 12. So we got delta value is positive, is equals to 12, that is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Next question, question number 22. In the figure, find the value of sine alpha and cos alpha. So easy question. See, direct question, you are finding sine alpha. So alpha is here. Sine alpha is equals to opposite. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is what? For alpha, opposite is AB, and hypotenuse is AC. So is equals to opposite is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So sin alpha answer is 24 by 25. Next they are asking cos alpha. Cos alpha formula is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is what? BC for alpha. Adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is again AC. So BC is 7 and AC is 25. 7 by 25 is cos alpha. Next question, question number 23. Find the distance between the points A 5 minus 7, B 1 minus 3 using distance formula. Distance formula is what? This is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See here, x2 and x1. See distance formula. In the, if we substitute, it is root of x2 is x2 is 1 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 is minus 3 minus 7 whole square. So is equals to root of minus 4 whole square plus minus to minus plus 4 and minus 3, minus to minus plus 7 and minus 3 becomes 4 square. So 4 square d is equals to, it is root of 16 plus 16 is equals to 16 plus 16 is 32, that is 16 into 2. So if we take 16 outside, that is 4 root 2 d is equals to 4 root 2 unit is the distance. Next question number 24. Two students A and B are preparing rose garlands by using 24 roses and 60 roses respectively for each garland. A is using for 24 roses and B is using 60 roses to make the garland. After making a few garlands, the number of flowers used by them are equal. Find the least number of roses equally used by them to make the garlands and find how many such garlands have been prepared by them. For that, what you have to do, least number of roses equally used by them means we are finding the LCM, that is LCM of 24 and 60. LCM of 24 and 60 is what? 24, 60. If 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are. So again 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2 fives are, 2 threes are 2 fives are. So LCM is what? LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is what? If you multiply all this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equals to 120. 120 is the LCM. Least number of roses used is equals to 120. Now we have to find out how many garlands made by them. For that, individually we'll find garland made by A is equals to how many? It is 120 by 24. If we divide, we will get number of garlands. Garland by B is what? 120 divided by 60, that is 2. Therefore, total garlands is 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 garlands. So next main, that is fourth main, will be in the next video. Thank you.